Rotted. Where you going to put these?
This is a full video of me getting grandma's baby chickens all the way from the farm to the backyard coop. First, I had to get the chicken coop built. I found this one on Amazon and it got a lot of good reviews and the instructions seemed pretty simple to put together. It was just some large panels with a few screws and a drill. I got it done in under an hour. And the build quality seemed pretty decent for the price. Here's it put together. This must be the living room area, and here's a laying room for the eggs. With the rolling wheels on the back, it makes it a lot easier to move around. After that, I went down to the chicken farm I found online. We finally made it to the chicken farm. It's my first time here, so I don't know what to expect. They just told me no pictures, so I'll switch to my phone. They just told me no pictures or no filming, but I'm gonna try to sneak my phone in. Alright, let's do it. Here's my phone footage. I think they were kind of weird about me walking around with a big camera, but filming on my phone was okay. Now that being said, I did see a lot of bad reviews about this place, but every other chicken farm I found online had bad reviews. So I don't know what that means for the industry. This was my first time being in a place like this, so I don't know the conditions in which chickens should be kept in. So if anybody has an experience on that, please let me know in the comments if this place looks okay to you. This is a part of the farm where they kept the baby chickens, so I just picked up 4 female and 2 male and was ready to go. But I talked to the woman that said no cameras.
What colors are there? At least 2 little pretty yellows and then a brown. Maybe a little black one.
Okay, the chicken. Is this a duck? So back to the car now, we have the chickens for grandma. I tried to do my best and sneak some footage for you, but we'll see. Can't wait to go surprise grandma with it. Alright, let's go. Grandmother?
Wait, you alive? No, me think you dead. And them bury you.
Yeah.
Yes, me think you dead. Kiss me neck. Oh, you live long so. Wait a while. Come, my darling. Wait, you bring him?
Yeah.
Oh, you treat me so bad this time. I'll run round the table, the kitchen with me. Hug me up, man. Come on. Me know you love me. Aye. Why you love me?
Grandmother, I bring a surprise for you.
What is it? Rotted. Where you going to put these?
Outside?
Into the little house?
Yeah, I have a next surprise for you.
Then how many of them in there?
6.
Then I see, then you put them little baby chicken in that house?
Yeah.
Then who will go look after them?
Me?
Oh God, me sorry for them.
Wait, sir?
Me sorry for them.
Why?
Them can't take care of themselves.
I'll take care of them, man.
Yes, but poor thing them. How much of them? 6 of them. And the 6 of them all living to that house.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Then we still what will eat them?
Not we eat them.
What you going to give them to eat?
We have some food for them.
Into the house?
Yeah.
And they will stay in there. No, put them there. And too little bit.
Yeah.
Yes. You can't leave them in the rat to yam them.
So where we should keep them?
Your yard.
You want me to keep them at my house?
Yes.
Alright.
You can't keep them there.
Okay.
Them too young, them just born.
Okay. So keep them till them get bigger.
Yes.
Okay. So I had to take the baby chicks back to my house and take care of them until they got bigger. I had an empty fish tank where I put the baby chicks in with some fresh water. Then I fed them some rice and peas for dinner. After that, I placed a bright light I had laying around with a heater to keep them warm throughout the night. This is 2 weeks later and the baby chickens have gotten way bigger. I stopped feeding them the rice and peas and got them some proper chicken feed. This is the brand I found online. So I got the chickens fed, put some fresh water in, and placed the chicks into a cage for the road trip to Grandma's house. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the church bells going off. Every day at 12:30, the bells at the church go off and you can hear them throughout the neighborhood. Now we're going to carry them back down to Grandma's house, put them in a chicken coop, and see how them doing. Alright, let's go. So we're back at Grandma's house now, and I got this chicken feeder and a water dispenser. For the feeder, I just filled it up a little bit because I didn't want any insects or bugs getting into the chicken food. But I made sure I filled up the water dispenser a lot because of the hot weather we've been having. But as you can see, the chickens are loving their new house. There you have it. Chickens in the coop right now. Having a wonderful time. The first time I ever see them running around, flapping them wings. They look so much happier in here. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribing to the channel, getting us to our goal. I want to send a special thank you to all our members. I couldn't do this channel without you. And look out for more videos to come. Peace.